Ever bought an avocado, only to find it rock hard or mushy brown inside? It's a common frustration with this creamy superfood. What if you could pick the perfect one every time? Keep it fresh for days and unlock its full healthy fat potential. Stay tuned to master the avocado. Avocados are nutritional powerhouses, packed with monounsaturated fats, fiber, and vitamins that fuel your body and boost heart health. But their delicate nature creates a paradox. So good, yet so tricky to master. The secret lies in understanding their unique ripening process. First, the perfect pick. Don't just look at the color, gently squeeze. A ripe avocado yields slightly to pressure, but isn't soft. Check the stem cap. If it comes off easily and reveals green underneath, you've found a winner. Brown means overripe, while a stubborn cap means it's not ready. Once ripe, store whole avocados in the refrigerator to slow down further ripening by up to 5 days. For a half-eaten avocado, prevent browning by brushing the exposed flesh with lemon or lime juice, then wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. Alternatively, store it in an airtight container with an onion half. The acid and citrus and sulfur compounds from onion create a protective barrier. When preparing, handle avocados gently. Their healthy fats and delicate nutrients are sensitive to excessive heat, so add them to dishes last. Think beyond guacamole. Slice them into salads, blend into smoothies, or mash onto whole grain toast for a nutrient-dense boost. Mastering the avocado isn't just about avoiding waste. It's about consistently enjoying this incredible superfood at its peak. With these simple tips, you're now equipped to pick, store, and use avocados like a pro, maximizing their healthy fats and delicious flavor. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to Greenplate for more healthy eating hacks, and share your favorite avocado recipe in the comments below.